test out what I got. Yo, just wait on it. Just wait on it. I ain't even gonna turn the camera down yet. Just wait. Look at that, y'all. Carven exhaust tips. 5-inch tips, man. So we're gonna upgrade that. See how that looks. Let's put it up. Let's do a little comparison. Let's see. Oh man, that thing is gonna look crazy. It is gonna look crazy, man. So yo, let's get right to it. So for this install, you need a 13mm socket. See this bolt? This is what you're gonna lose. It's just one bolt, man. One bolt, and you'll get it done. So let's loosen that up. Loosen that up. You loosen that up all the way. So now what you're gonna do is, when it's fairly loose, this clamp, you're gonna bang it a little bit, and it should wiggle loose. So let's see what happens. This is a 2019, so yeah. All right. So we're gonna have to knock this with a little hammer. Like I said, it's really tight, and that's fine. So let's just make sure this is all the way loose. Have a lot of wiggle room. There we go. You should be really using a rubber mallet. You want to use a rubber mallet to get it on in there, but like I said, we're improvising, so just bear with me. So now we're going to try to face these Carven tips out. I'm going to poke it out just a little bit, just so you can see the name on the back of the tips. You know, that's how I want to do it. So this thing is nice and chrome, man. And I'm fudging it all up. Jeez. It's alright. I'll clean it when I wash the car and stuff like that. That is what it is. I don't know if y'all feel the same way, man. When you touch chrome stuff and whatnot, when you're working out on the car all day, hands and all that, that's nasty. Like so. Just like so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And she's in. Oh, she's in. Make sure it's nice and centered before you tighten it. guys, it's on. Super easy install. So as you can see, you can still see the name right here. Oh man, that thing looks sharp. That thing looks sharp. Look at it compared to the stock one. Wow. That thing is looking sharp, man. I love it. Gotta clean those up a little bit. Ooh, your boy's gonna be stunting. So, with that being said, that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell.